What's up, traders? Today is a very big day in the history of prop firms. Last year, a day like this one, 3rd May, a new prop firm was born, and this prop firm is Fxify. Guys, Fxify has been in the game since 365 days ago, and today they're celebrating their first anniversary. Why am I here making this video? Guys, I'm here celebrating the anniversary with them because I'm also one of their funded traders, and I've been funded with them since just 2 months later after they launched. Should be scary, right? Like, why would somebody jump on a prop firm that just launched 2 months ago? It's because I believed in the vision, in their vision, and I believed in their technology, and everything that they showed was so much promising than the other prop firms, because other prop firms are so much focused in promising people things that don't make sense, things that they wouldn't maintain to provide. But Fxify showed me that this platform was here to stay, and their vision, their mission really made so much sense to me, up to the point that I went ahead and bought a challenge with them. So today I just want to show you some of the great things that Fxify has done in the past 365 days. So Fxify has made total payouts of over 8,704,408 ish. Guys, figures are big. You know what it is, yeah. So and they have a trading volume of over 1 trillion ish. Guys, the number is big. That's like the trading volume accumulatively, all the traders putting the things together. And then yeah, so total sign up throughout, over 81,000 people have signed up. Some have made it, some have failed, but we're talking about people who have checked with this platform so far. So if people have went as far as trading all this like 1 trillion volume, guys, that's huge, that's big. And then the total number of trades that has been taken, I guess this is like a very big number. Mamma mia. All right. And the highest payout was 117. Guys, this is crazy. Imagine company paying all this money to one person. This person. Yeah, man. So next thing is the most traded symbols. So symbols that have been traded most on this platform are like gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, DJ30 USD. I mean, this is Nasdaq, this is US30. So guys, this is just like giving you something. If you want to, like, this is just simply telling you that focus on these pairs. You're gonna maintain your profitability in the Forex space. So that's something that you guys need to check out. Myself, I trade a lot US30, which is DJ30, and I love it, and it's been great, man. So they're saying thank you for an amazing year. We couldn't have done it without you. This is crazy, guys. So another thing that I want to show you, it's the massive discount that these guys are offering. Guys, this is crazy. You know, like, imagine a perfume is offering 42% discount on any challenge that you're gonna purchase. For example, they are already giving you a 20% discount, and that they're giving you 3 add-ons. When they say 3 add-ons, it means you're going to be able to increase your leverage, and you're gonna have a 90% profit split, and you're also going to have a bi-weekly payout, which is totaling 42% off, or what, off discount, which is great, guys. So if you use the code Fxifyone, you're gonna get this crazy discount. Guys, don't hesitate. Go buy a challenge with this platform. There's a link in the description below. Just use that link. It's gonna take you directly to the broker, and you're going to be able to purchase a platform account. So just use the link in the description below. It's gonna be also take you some advantage. I've also included some of the discounts. Even if you're watching this video later, because this discount is valid, like offer ends 8th May, all right? Offer ends 8th May. If you're watching this video after 8th May, don't worry, man. Don't worry. Take advantage of the discount codes that are in the description below so that you can catch up on this platform and stay. Guys, this is things that we need in the industry, because they're simply telling us that this platform has stayed in the game for over a year. What would stop you from trading with this platform? All right. So another thing I just want to show you like how you're able to purchase a challenge. So what you're gonna do is that just click on the link in the description below, like this, and it's gonna take you to a website. Once you're on that website, come here, choose a challenge that you want. You can choose a single phase, a double phase, or 3-phase. So in this case, let's say I'll choose a double phase, and then I would like to purchase, let's say 100K. And when I come on 100K, what I'm going to do next, I'll come here, choose my trading platform. So I'll choose MT5, and then on the spreads, I'll choose the low spread. That's what I like. And when you come here, don't bother ticking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, don't bother. Just come straight to this part. Just come straight to this part and then type Fxify1 and then hit. Guys, you can see how crazy it is. Like the discount, guys. The discount is crazy. You can see that everything has been ticked. This one, the leverage, the profit spread, and the bi-weekly. So you can, which means right now you're having, or you're paying this amount for this account. So let's say you want to buy, let's say a 15K. You want to buy 15K, and this, you tick this, you tick this, and then you come here. All right. So which means for this one, you're going to pay $79. So next, after that, you just click on I declare and then proceed to payment. So I'll not proceed to payment, but you can actually pay with your Visa card. You can pay with, after paying with a Visa card, you can pay with crypto. You can pay with PayPal. The most convenient crypto that I'd encourage you guys to use is Litecoin. Litecoin is actually good and cheaper to use than any other crypto you can use, because Litecoin, you get to pay lesser fees than using USDT and other things. Guys, don't miss out on this opportunity. Take advantage of the what? Of the discounts that I've provided in the description below. Click on that link, go ahead and purchase your funded account. Otherwise, I'm still gonna be able to trade with Fxify, whether I fail, I pass, I'll still come again and buy more challenges. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video and have a very great day. Let's meet in the next video. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified every time I post a new video. Have a very good day. Goodbye.